Cool. Alright, today we'll try to replace the stock exhaust with the LV Corsa Titanium exhaust which I bought recently. This is the first mod I'll be doing on S1000RR, my bike, and this will be first mod by me. So if I can succeed, I'm sure anyone can do it. Let's see if I can start with. I don't have many tools with me, so I'll try with what I got at home. Hopefully that works. Yeah, I guess the main exhaust connected with this and this screw nut. So we'll see if we can try to fit this one. Yeah, that works. And I'm just going to use this adjustable spanner to loosen this bolt. Let's see. Yeah, that works. Yeah, that comes off, which is good. Now, let's see if we can try this one. Yeah, it's a bit tight. Let's do it. Yeah, I don't have much room to play with, so do it carefully. There we go, that comes off. Yep, that's off. And let's take this one off as well. Yep, that's this one off. Let's come off now. Ideally, you just pull this one off, and there you go. First step done. And it's damn heavy. And let's see this beauty. This looks thick, right? So you can see the difference. It's pretty small versus pretty big and heavy. So, and I believe this would look good. Yeah. Alright. So, let's see what all things that I have given in this box. All these things. So they have given some. There you go, that's what I love after. So, obviously you need a new clamp. Sure, you can use the old one too, but yeah, they get a new clamp, that's nice. And you would need a new screw here that goes on to this. Alright, now, I'm trying to see how that goes in. Yeah, this makes more sense. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, there you go. It fits. But yeah, that's how it goes, which is good. Put a clamp in first. This one. Oh, look at that. It's a different nut for this. Let's see if I can use this. Yeah, it fits. Yeah, there we go, that goes in, and this goes in here. Slightly curved, don't know why. Yeah, there you go, that might be it. We need this thing, right? So it goes in this, and The nut should pass through. Interesting, I got this too. Don't know why. Not sure if I need this. Let's see. Yeah, I need this. It goes inside. And let's see if it's fitting. Let me see properly. So move a bit. Yeah, that fits. And now I just need to tighten this up. Cool. There it goes. Not going to really fasten it for now. Again, this is a different fit, so this works. This, yeah, two. Now let's try to see if we can fit this one in. Yeah, should I put the other way around? But how to tighten this way? Let me use this one in again. As you can see, I've never done anything before, so yeah, it's fine if you do a mistake. Put it the other way around so it comes this way. Yeah, that's better. Now let's try to fit it again. Hopefully this time we'll be lucky. Well, that's good. That fits. This is what we needed. It should go in. That's the screw. Now we'll just tighten this guy. Let's tighten. Now just fasten this one, top one. There you go, that's it. That fits. Now, let's do a quick wipe and then we'll turn it on. Let's do a quick wipe. Take some of those dust out. Yeah, it's not going to go anywhere. It's good. Now let's start this one and see how it sounds. So yeah, that's it. Easy to swap your stock exhaust with a slip-on of your choice. I like LV Corsa for its design and the sound. So yeah, make sure to have a look and see what is out there, and yeah, like and subscribe if this video is helpful for you guys. Cheers.